Dear students, welcome to our channel Math Solutions by Pani. I hope everyone aware of this channel, and we are going to discuss about sequences and series. We are in that. Just I am sharing this link to my friends and relatives so that it can reach to more students. That is the reason I'm sharing here. Yeah, dear all, please come to the live. Yeah. Let us have a discussion the questions from progressions. We are in arithmetic progression. This is the second video. I hope it is thumbnail is video 1, but it is video 2. The sum of all two-digit odd numbers is two-digit odd numbers. So from where it starts, two-digit odd numbers 11, 13, 15, and so on till 99. Two-digit odd numbers. Okay, dear students. After that, a equal to 11, the first term, and the common difference 13 minus 11, 15 minus 13, d value is equal to 2. Okay. After that, nth term is given, Tn equal to 99. So how many terms are there like this? We will calculate. So Tn means a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 99. A value is 11 plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 99. 11 bring this side. N minus 1 into 2 equal to 88. So n minus 1 equal to 2, 44. So minus 1 bring this side, n is equal to 45. After getting the value of n is equal to 45, and they are asking to find the sum of all the two-digit odd numbers. So S45 they are asking to find. Okay, dear students. N by 2, that means 40 by 2, A plus L. So nth term is this only, no? 99. So 45 by 2 into, this is about 110. Okay. So 2 ones, 2 fives are 10, again 2 fives. 45 into 45, 55. So 2475 is there in the fourth option, 2475. Therefore, the sum of all two-digit odd numbers is 2475. Okay. Now we will move to another question. Three numbers are in AP such that their sum is 24. Whenever the three numbers are in arithmetic progression, you have to consider the terms will be a minus d, a plus d are in AP. Now, sum of these a minus d plus a plus d is equal to how much? 24. Sum of these is 24. So that means plus d minus d get cancelled. So 3a is equal to 24. That implies a is equal to 8. A value we got it. Next, sum of the squares is 200. Sum of these squares, a minus d whole square plus a square plus a plus d whole square is equal to 200. A square means 64. So a minus d whole square plus a plus d whole square is equal to 200 minus 64. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, 2 into a square plus b square only. 2 into a square plus d square equal to 200 minus 64, 136. Okay. Again dividing by 2, you will get a square plus d square is equal to 2 6 are 12 and 2 8s. Again d value, a value is 8 no. 64 plus d square equal to 68. D square equal to 4, d equal to plus or minus 2. So I am considering just plus. If d is equal to 2 and a is equal to 8, a minus d, a plus d. So a minus d means 8 minus 2, 8 plus 2. So 6 comma 8 comma 10. So these are the numbers which are in AP and whose sum is 24 and the sum of squares is 200. We will move to another question now. The sum to p terms of AP is q. So sum to p terms, that means sum to p terms means SP is equal to Q. That implies that SP means what? P by 2. 2A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to Q. So that also implies that P into 2A plus P minus 1 into D equal to 2Q. Equation number 1. Even more simplification. If you want to do, you can. 2AP plus P square minus P into D, okay, is equal to 2Q, both the equations. Similarly, SQ equal to P, that implies Q by 2 equal to, Q by 2 into 2A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to P. So that implies that Q into 2A plus Q minus 1 into D equal to 2P. So again multiplying with Q, so 2AQ plus Q square minus Q into D is equal to 2P, equation number 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1, anything you should do it. Equation 2 minus equation 1, that implies that, so directly 2AP minus 2AQ. So 2A into P minus Q, and from these two, D taking common, P square minus P minus Q square plus Q, which is equal to 2Q minus 2P. So that implies that 2A into P minus Q plus D into, this is P square minus Q square means P minus Q into P plus Q. And even more minus, if you take common, P minus Q is there, is equal to 2 into Q minus P. Okay, dear students. So now P minus Q I am taking common from this. So 2A plus D into P minus Q, if you take common, P plus Q is remaining, minus 1 is equal to 2 into Q minus P means minus P minus Q. Here P minus Q, here P minus Q get cancelled. So remaining is 2A plus D into P plus Q minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So we got this result. After that, what they are asking, Sum to PQ terms. SP plus Q equal to P plus Q divided by 2 into 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D, that is equal to P plus Q divided by 2. 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D value is how much? Minus 2. Okay, students. 2 get cancelled, we will get a minus of P plus Q. I hope you understand. This is our required answer. We will move to another question. Yeah, we'll move this. Four terms are in AP. The sum of first and last is 8, and the product of both middle terms is 15. The least among four numbers, is, so the answer 4, 2, 3, 1. Don't think like among that options which one is least. The sum of three numbers are in AP is 27, and the product of first and last is 77. Then the numbers are so options 7 by 2, 51 by 4, and 22, 7, 10, 11, 7, 9, 11, 6, 9, 12. The next question here. If n arithmetic means are inserted between 2 and 38, 2 and 38 such that the sum of the resulting series, the sum of resulting series obtained is 2200, then the value of n is, so options 6, 8, 12 and 10. So how to approach these type of questions? Yeah. 4 terms are in arithmetic progression. We already discussed in the previous classes. The 4 terms we can take like this case. A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D, which are in AP, whose common difference is 2D. Some 4 terms are in AP. Okay. Let us consider these numbers are in AP. First and last is, sum of first and last is 8. Sum of first and last, A minus 3D plus A plus 3D is equal to 8. That implies that 2A equal to 8. That implies A equal to 4. Okay, dear students. Next. The product of both middle terms, that means these two, A minus D into A plus D is equal to 15. That implies that A square minus D square equal to 15. A values 4 no, 16 minus D square equal to 15. That implies 16 minus 15 equal to D square. 1 is equal to D square. That implies D equal to plus or minus 1. So numbers we need to calculate. So the required numbers. A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. So one by one we will take it. First case, in this, if A equal to 4, D equal to plus 1, I am taking only one case. If you take second, you will get the same. So what happens here? 4 minus 3, 4 minus 1, 4 plus 1, 4 plus 3. Why? Because D is whole 1. So 4 minus 3 is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 3 is 7. Among these, least among the 4, 1 is least 1. So your answer is D. We will go to another question. The sum of 3 numbers are in AP is 27 and the product of first term last term is 77. Sum of 3 numbers we already did in the previous question, but the concept only different, dear students. A minus D, A plus D are in AP. Okay. Now, sum of 3 numbers given A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 27. A plus A equal to 3A, which is equal to 27. That implies A equal to 9. We got it now? After getting the value of A equal to 9, next condition is given. And the product of first and last is 77. A minus D and A plus D. And given A minus D into A plus D is equal to 77. A square minus D square equal to 77. 81 minus D square equal to 77. D square equal to 4. D equal to plus or minus 2. Even here also one of the case only we are going to consider. If A equal to 9 and D equal to 1, then the numbers are A minus D, A plus D. So 9 minus 1, 9, 9 plus 1. 8 comma 9 comma 10. So the number, sorry, D value is 2, no? Sorry. So the numbers will change as 7, 9 and 11. 7, 9, 11, it is there in the third option, dear students. Now come to here. If n arithmetic means are inserted between the numbers 2 and 38. So here we are going to look it as 2 and 38 are the numbers which are A and B. How many arithmetic means are inserting? N arithmetic means A1, A2, A3 and so on An. So first common difference we need to calculate D equal to B minus A by N plus 1. So 38 minus 2 divided by N plus 1, which is equal to 36 by N plus 1. After getting up this result, the sum of resulting series is obtained is 200. That means A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus 1 An is equal to, okay, n into b plus a by 2. We need to calculate n value now. We need to calculate n value. So from this, we are going to observe that this is equal to n by 2. B plus a is what? 38 plus 2, 40. Okay. So it is equal to 20n. But here also we have to do that. Total A1 to An, not only these values, but also we'll consider these two, total n plus 2, Sn plus 2 is equal to n plus 2 by 2, this is one way, into sum of first term and last term, 2 and 38. So n plus 2 divided by 2 into 40, 2 ones, 2 20s. So 20 into n plus 2. This result is given how much? It is equal to 200. This is equal to 200. So 20 ones, 20 tens. 10 is equal to n plus 2. 2 bring this side. 8 equal to n. Therefore, this is not required. Just take out. So n is equal to 8, dear students. Okay. We'll move on to another set of questions. Yeah, I'm going to drop this. The next questions. If Sn denotes the sum to n terms, of an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D, then Sn plus 3 minus 3 Sn plus 2 plus 3 Sn plus 1 minus Sn is equal to. So options are provided. 2A minus A minus D 0. So the next question here. If Sn denotes the sum of first n terms of AP and S2n equal to 3 Sn, then S3n divided by Sn equal to. So options here. 7, 6, 4, 5. 7, 6, 4, 5. Right. Next question. If three positive numbers A, B, C are in AP and 1 by A square, 1 by B square, 1 by C square are also in AP, then first option 2C equal to 2B plus A, 2B equal to 3A plus C, third option B square equal to AC by 8, fourth option A equal to B equal to C. So among these, which option is going to get it as correct? See here, Sn denotes, this is given. So Sn plus 3 minus 3 Sn plus 2 plus 3 Sn plus 1 minus Sn. By seeing also we can say that whose coefficients 3 plus 3 minus 3 is 0, 1 minus 1 0. So the answer is 0. But how this sum is 0 means by putting n is equal to 1 in this. In the above, you will get S4 minus 3S3 plus 3S2 minus S1. S4 means 4 by 2. 2A plus 4 minus 1. So 3D minus 3 into 3 by 2. 2A plus 2d. Next, plus 3 into S2 means 2 by 2. 2a plus d minus S1 1 by 2. 2a plus 0. So 2 into 2a plus 3d. Here 2 common and cancel, minus 9 into a plus d will come. So 6a plus 3d. Here 2 get cancelled, a will come. Okay. So 4a plus 6d minus 9a minus 9d plus 6a plus 3d minus a. 6a, 4a, 10a minus a, 9a. So 9a minus 10a plus 10a. Okay. 6d plus 3d, 9d minus 9d, 0. So the sum of these type of series are equal to 0. Put n is equal to 1 it does. Now, if Sn denotes the sum of first n terms of AP, first condition is given. What condition is given? S to n is equal to 3 times of Sn. S to n means 2n by 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d. 3 times of n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here 2 get cancelled, and n also get cancelled. So 4a plus 4nd minus 2d equal to 6a plus 3nd minus 3d. So now these values being assigned. So better to break a terms will be here, and these terms will be here. So 4nd minus 2d minus 3nd plus 3d is equal to 6a minus 4a. Okay, dear students. 4nd minus 3nd is nd minus 2d plus is d is equal to 2a. So d into n plus 1 equal to 2a. After that they are asking to find S3n by Sn. So S3n means 3n by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d by n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n by 2, here n by 2 get cancelled. 3 into 2a plus 3nd minus d by 2a plus nd minus d. So 6a plus 3nd minus d by 2a plus nd minus d. So 2a, wherever 2a is there, you replace with dn plus this one, dn nd plus d. See here 6a means 3 times of 2a plus 3nd minus d by integrate directly nd plus d plus nd minus d. These two will be cancelled. So 3 into nd plus d plus 3nd minus d by 2nd. So numerator simplifying, 3nd plus 3d plus 3nd minus d by 2nd. Very sorry. Here 9 minus 3d. So 9 3d. 9nd 3d. 9nd minus 3d. So minus 3d plus 3d get cancelled. 12nd divided by 2nd. So 12 by 2 means 6. So this value S3n by Sn equal to 6. It is there in the third option, dear students. Now come to this session is the last question in this session. If three positive numbers a, b, c are in arithmetic progression 1 by a square. So first thing a, b, c are in a, b. So what is the condition? 2b equal to a plus c. Next 1 by a square, 1 by b square, 1 by c square are also in a, b. So that implies 2 by b square is equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by c square. These two conditions are satisfied with what values? Suppose among these it is difficult to take 2c means c making as a subject is difficult. 2b substitute here 3a plus c equal to not equal to. So this option is not correct. B square we cannot write. Why? Because root ac by 8 will come, it is not correct. 2c also it is not there in this. C values. So what comes here? B plus a by 2 will come. B plus a by 2 derivative is not equal. So what should be possible? A is equal to B is equal to C. Now I am checking that here 2b equal to a plus c with I am checking a equal to b equal to c. So in place of a and c also I am going to replace with b. So 2b equal to b plus c, absolutely 2b. It is satisfied. LHS and RHS. Next 2 by b square equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by c square. Here also I am checking the condition a equal to b equal to c. So what comes here? 2 by b square equal to 1 by b square plus 1 by b square. So that's what 2 by b square. LHS equal to RHS we are getting now. So this is also only for this condition these two series are in AP. It is possible. I hope everyone understands this, students. I am going to stop the session now. I am going to sign off this session. In next class, if possible, tomorrow night, otherwise the day after tomorrow, we will come to the same session. This I will continue with this different types of books. I am going to tell either like Akash or Chaitanya, Narayana, different books I am going to explain with different concepts. Thank you, dear students. Signing off, Math Solutions by Pani.